In the shadows of history, where echoes still play, voices rise, longing for a brighter day. Those managers in suits with promises so grand, chasing stolen treasures while neglecting the land. Artistry at our doorstep, yet they look away. The talents of our people, in silence they betray. Words of dignity dance, yet actions fall flat. All that talk of reparations, what's behind the act? Graves are common, but reasoning's rare. Until we decolonize, we're bound to despair. Let the unity flow. Let the voices combine. True advancement awaits in the turning of time. Religion's the folly, keep us in place. How can we preach love while our minds are confined? Seeking to uplift without looking behind. Brains are common, but reasoning's rare. Until we decolonize, we're bound to despair. Let the unity flow. Let the voices combine. True advancement awaits in the turning of time. Let's rise above labels, the we and the them, found in the struggles, dimensions of pain. Minds aligned in purpose, chasing what's true. Together we flourish in all that we do. So here's the invitation, a path paved in grace to bridge every border with a warm embrace. Forget the divisions that keep us apart. A renaissance begins with the strength of our